This is SDI 1210 Project 3 Review, and I'm Michelle Larimore. This video is about the Project 3 deliverable, which was to create my own JavaScript chart and code based on my own creation. These are the flowchart requirements. Some of the new ones that were added was JSON data, nested conditional, nested loop. The rest of these I believe were in the previous assignment, well, except maybe the mutator and access loop. This is my chart. As you can see, it's incomplete, and I'll explain why in a minute. You weren't given a flowchart this time and instead had to build your own. How did that go? I had trouble figuring out how to draw the lines and arrows straight. I had some trouble locating the right shapes. Then I never added my JSON data because I couldn't figure out how to make it work in my code, so I had great difficulty with this assignment. Was it easier or harder to work with fewer constraints? I would have to say harder because I couldn't figure out how to write the new constraints even after researching, watching the videos, and emailing Mr. Lewis. This was your last story project for this month. Did you get to tell an interesting story? No. I pretty much stuck to my story from Project 1 and Project 2. I made a few revisions because it was based on my life and engagement, which has since been ended. Here is my JSON data. After Mr. Lewis looked at it, he said that it looked fine. I did change one thing. I changed it into an array instead of having the numbers out here because I had issues in my code when it was iterating through the information. It was printing it twice. As you can see, my code output did not work the way I wanted it to. I was trying to plug in my JSON data to work in this code, and as you can see, there are errors.